You're walking alone on a quiet street. It's late, too late. Suddenly, you hear footsteps behind you. You speed up. So do they. Your heart races. You reach for something in your pocket, but it's not a weapon. It's a gadget. Compact, legal, powerful. In 2025, self-defense isn't about carrying a gun. It's about being smarter. From invisible weapons hidden inside daily items to military-grade gadgets made for civilians, these 10 self-defense tools might just save your life. And yes, you can actually buy them right now. Make sure to watch till the end because one of these gadgets is absolutely insane. Gadget 1. The Stun Gun Ring. This tiny ring looks like a piece of jewelry, but it's a weapon in disguise. Designed for women and men alike, this wearable self-defense gadget packs a hidden stun function. Just press your palm against your attacker, and boom, they're shocked with thousands of volts of electricity. Imagine the look on their face when you turn a harmless ring into a powerful self-defense weapon, perfect for emergencies. Gadget 2. The Bulletproof Backpack. This isn't your average backpack. The Guard Dog Pro Shield is a smart, bulletproof backpack that you can carry everywhere. It's made with military-grade ballistic protection and can withstand bullets that would otherwise put you in harm's way. It's not just about protection, it's also about convenience. With numerous pockets, RFID protection, and even a power bank to charge your phone, this is the ultimate defensive gadget on the go. Gadget 3. Tactical Pen. A pen might seem harmless, but the tactical pen can be your lifesaver. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum, it's sturdy, sharp, and ideal for self-defense. With a pointed end, it can be used to defend against attackers or even break glass in emergencies. What's best about it? It's legal everywhere and fits in your pocket. A stealth weapon you can carry around all the time. Gadget 4. Pepper Spray Pen. Another genius gadget disguised as a normal everyday item is the pepper spray pen. At first glance, it looks just like a regular pen, but with a quick twist, you have access to a powerful pepper spray that can incapacitate your attacker within seconds. Imagine the shock when an attacker realizes they've just been hit with a stream of pepper spray from your pen. It's one of the most discreet, effective self-defense tools available. Gadget 5. The Tactical Flashlight. A flashlight isn't just for lighting the way. A tactical flashlight can double as a self-defense tool. With powerful LED beams and a body built to withstand serious impact, this device allows you to temporarily blind an attacker. Flashing them in the eyes can disorient them long enough for you to escape or defend yourself. Plus, the hard body can be used to strike back if necessary. If you're finding these gadgets interesting and useful, take a moment to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Gadget 6. The Self-Defense Umbrella. Yes, you read that right, the self-defense umbrella. At first glance, it's just a regular umbrella you carry to stay dry. But with one twist, this gadget turns into a sturdy, well-built weapon capable of blocking attacks and even striking back. Some of them are reinforced with steel tips for serious defense, proving that you don't need to look like a fighter to be one. Gadget 7. The Mini Self-Defense Baton. The Mini Baton is compact, lightweight, and deployable in seconds. It's a great self-defense gadget that fits in your bag, but when extended, it provides you with a sturdy weapon capable of defending yourself. It's especially useful for people who need something discreet but effective, and the best part is, it's easy to carry without drawing unwanted attention. Gadget 8. The Taser Pulse. A Taser Pulse might look like an ordinary gun, but it's far from it. This civilian-friendly device delivers a powerful shock that can incapacitate an attacker for up to 30 seconds. Whether you're walking through a dark alley or heading to your car in the parking lot, this taser will give you the upper hand in a dangerous situation. With a flashlight and built-in safety features, this tool is essential for modern-day protection. Gadget 9. The Bola Wrap. The Bola Wrap is a non-lethal self-defense gadget that shoots a tether wrapping around your attacker's legs or torso and restraining them within seconds. This is the future of non-lethal protection, designed for situations where you need to restrain an attacker without causing harm. It's fast, reliable, and discreet. The best part? It doesn't involve any forceful physical combat. Gadget 10. The Spork Knife. Yes, you read that correctly. A spork that's also a knife. On the surface, it looks like a regular eating utensil, but twist it open, and you've got a sharp, concealed knife. It's an ideal self-defense tool for outdoor adventures or when you need something compact that that fits easily in your pocket. You never know when you'll need to defend yourself. But with this gadget, you'll always be prepared. These 10 self-defense gadgets aren't just cool, they're gadgets that could save your life. In today's world, being prepared isn't optional, it's essential. So, which of these gadgets impressed you the most? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to stay safe. And make sure to turn on the notification bell so you're always notified whenever we upload a new video. Want to know which secret AI tools celebrities like Will Smith are using in 2025? Watch the video on screen now. Take care, stay safe, and goodbye for now.